Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
Donald Trump is set to be sworn in as the 47th President of the United States on January 20th, marking the beginning of his second term in office. Trump won the November elections with 312 electoral votes, defeating incumbent President Joe Biden, and will now lead a new administration. While Trump is no stranger to the White House, most of the individuals in his proposed cabinet are newcomers to their roles. The cabinet comprises the vice president, the head of 15 federal departments, all requiring Senate confirmation, and additional key advisors handpicked by the president to shape his administration policies. In a shocking incident, actor Saif Ali Khan was stabbed during a scuffle with an intruder at his residence in Mumbai's Bandra area. The attack took place at the Sadhguru Sharan building where Khan resides. According to police reports, the intruder initially had a confrontation with Khan's maid. As the actor intervened to defuse the situation, the intruder became aggressive, resulting in a scuffle. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu confirmed on Friday that an agreement has been reached to secure the return of hostages held in the Gaza Strip. This comes after his office had reported earlier that there were final hurdles in completing a ceasefire agreement to end the 15-month-long conflict. Netanyahu announced that he would convene his security cabinet later that day, followed by a government meeting to approve the long-awaited deal. The conflict between Israel and Hamas erupted on October 7, 2023, when militants from the Gaza infiltrated Israel, killing more than 1,200 citizens and taking hundreds hostage. In response, Israeli airstrikes have led to over 46,000 Palestinian deaths. The Mahakumbh Mela, one of the world's largest spiritual gatherings, began in Prayagraj. Devotees from across the globe are arriving to take a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam, with the event emphasizing faith and spiritual unity. Double Olympic medalist Manu Bakar, World Chess Champion Gukesh Dommaraju, Indian men's hockey team captain Harmanpreet Singh, and para-athlete Praveen Kumar were awarded the prestigious Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award by the President of India Draupadi Murmu at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Manu Bakar opened India's medal tally in the Olympics after she secured third place in the women's individual 10-meter air pistol event, becoming the country's first ever woman shooter to win an Olympic medal. Meanwhile, Gukesh made history in December by defeating Chin Ding Liren in the decisive 14th game of the FIDE World Championship match in Singapore.